Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to make a custom skin on PC for Bedrock and Java Edition Minecraft. So once you're on, you have to go on Google and type in skin creator for Minecraft. Skin creator for Minecraft. Enter, and then it should pop up Minecraft skin editor, and then tap on that. It'll put you into skin decks, and then you can start making the skin. I guess it's saved from me trying to make a skin and then failed and I had to remake it. I was trying to make a type of monkey, but yeah, so that's how you get into it, and then you can just change the colors and stuff, and then yeah, that's how you make skins on PC for Minecraft and Java. I'm pretty sure it works for Bedrock.